In a big forest, near a shiny lake, there lived 3 special friends. They were Panda, Elephant, and Bird. They were very different, but they loved each other very much. The forest was green and full of tall trees. The lake was blue, and the water was always cool. Panda lived in a bamboo house near the trees. Elephant had a small cave near the lake. Bird had a nest in the tallest tree. Every morning, the 3 friends met by the lake to talk, play, and eat. "Good morning," said Bird. "Good morning," said Panda and Elephant together. The friends liked to eat together. Panda ate bamboo, Elephant ate leaves, and Bird ate berries. One sunny day, the friends planned to play games. "Let's play hide and seek," said Bird. Panda hid behind a big tree. Elephant hid behind a rock. Bird flew high in the sky and hid in the leaves. "Where is Panda?" asked Bird. "I am here," laughed Panda. They found each other and laughed a lot. After the game, they sat by the lake. The lake was shiny like a mirror. "I love our home," said Elephant. "Yes, it is the best place," said Panda. "And we have each other," said Bird. One day, Bird felt sad. Her wing hurt, and she could not fly. Panda and Elephant saw Bird sitting in her nest. "Bird, are you okay?" asked Panda. "My wing hurts," said Bird. "I can't fly to get berries." Panda and Elephant wanted to help. Panda climbed a tree and picked berries for Bird. Elephant used her trunk to get water from the lake. "Thank you, friends," said Bird. "You are the best friends ever." "Always," said Panda and Elephant. One evening, the sky turned orange and pink. The friends sat by the lake. Bird had an idea. "Let's make a garden," said Bird. "A garden?" asked Elephant. "Yes, a big garden for all of us," said Bird. The next day, they started working. Panda dug the soil with his strong paws. Elephant carried water with her trunk. Bird flew and found seeds. After many days, the garden was ready. It was full of flowers, bamboo, and big trees. The garden was colorful and smelled so good. "This is the best garden ever," said Panda. "It is our happy place," said Elephant. "Yes, forever," said Bird. The friends lived happily in the forest. Every day, they played, ate, and sat by the lake. They watched the sunrise and the sunset. They shared stories and laughed. "We are lucky to have each other," said Bird. "Yes, we are family," said Panda. "Together forever," said Elephant. The forest was their home, and they were always happy. The panda, the elephant, and the bird were best friends. One day, the sky was gray, and big clouds covered the sun. Soon, rain started to fall. "It's raining," said Panda. "I love the rain," said Elephant. She lifted her trunk and caught raindrops. But Bird looked sad. "What's wrong, Bird?" asked Panda. "My nest is wet," said Bird. "I have no dry place to sit." Panda and Elephant wanted to help. Panda quickly ran to his bamboo house. He brought big leaves. Elephant used her trunk to hold the leaves above Bird's nest. "Now your nest is dry," said Panda. "Thank you, my friends," said Bird. They all stayed under the tree. The rain fell softly, making little music on the leaves. The friends smiled. Even on rainy days, they were happy together. One morning, as the sun rose, the friends heard a sound near the lake. "Who is making that noise?" asked Panda. Let's see, said Elephant. By the lake, they saw a little frog. He was green and small, and he looked scared. Hello, frog, said Bird. What is your name? My name is Leap, said the frog. I got lost. I can't find my family. Don't worry, Leap, said Panda. We will help you. Yes, we are your friends now, said Elephant. The friends searched the forest. Panda checked near the bamboo. Bird flew high to look around. Elephant looked behind the big rocks. After a while, Bird called out, I see the frogs near the river. Leap jumped with joy. Thank you, friends, he said. I will never forget your kindness. The friends waved goodbye as Leap hopped back to his family. Helping others made them very happy. One day, Bird had a big idea. Let's have a forest festival, she said. A festival? Asked Panda. Yes, we can sing, dance, and eat yummy food, said Bird. The friends worked together. Panda made bamboo decorations. Elephant brought water for everyone. Bird invited all the animals in the forest. When the day came, the forest looked magical. There were colorful flowers, lanterns, and music everywhere. The animals danced and laughed. Panda played the drums. Bird sang a sweet song. Elephant showed her fun dance moves. This is the best day ever, said Panda. Thank you, Bird, for the idea, said Elephant. I'm happy when we are all together, said Bird. The festival ended with everyone sitting by the lake, watching the stars. One sunny day, Panda found a shiny stone near the lake. Look at this, said Panda. It is so beautiful. That is a treasure stone, said Bird. What is a treasure stone? Asked Elephant. It means something special is nearby, said Bird. The friends got excited. Let's find the treasure, said Panda. They followed the stone's sparkle. It led them to a big tree. Under the tree, they found a hidden box. Inside the box were golden leaves and shiny shells. This is amazing, said Elephant. The forest has many surprises, said Bird. They shared the treasure with all the animals in the forest. The forest became even more beautiful with the golden leaves hanging in the trees. The panda, the elephant, and the bird continued their happy life in the forest. Every day was full of laughter, fun, and new adventures. They played games, helped others, and made their home even more special. One evening, as the sun set, they sat by the lake again. The sky was orange and pink, just like before. This is my favorite place, said Panda. Because we are together, said Elephant. Yes, said Bird. Happiness is being with friends. The friends smiled and held on to their promise, always together, always happy.